Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're gonna open up our settings, and then you wanna scroll all the way down to System. You can swipe down and select Reset Options, Erase All Data Factory Reset. And here you will get presented with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data. It also tells you that it will sign out of your Google account, and you can also select to clear all eSIM profiles if you are using eSIM instead of just a traditional SIM card. So I'm going to choose that just in case, and now I'm going to select Erase All Data. This just gives me a confirmation that this will basically remove everything that is on the device, including eSIM. So we're going to select Erase All Data once more, and it will now begin factory resetting the device. This process will take about a minute or so to finish up. It should be pretty quick, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.